Do you know what a smart home is? I want to pay to get your home to be a smart home. So what makes a smart home smart?
There are at least 3 categories of technology in a smart home. Number 1, security. Install indoor and outdoor cameras for continual video feed to your smartphone or tablet, which gives you peace of mind.
2, temperature control. Nest thermostats, which I have, allow you to control the temperature manually or remotely. It's also intuitive, so it gets to know your habits. So if you're used to turning the temp down when you go to bed at 11, it will start doing that automatically for you.
Number 3, lighting. You can literally control the lighting from your smartphone or tablet. Turn your lights on and off from your voice, phone or tablet. But wait! There's more.
Enjoy the convenience of controlling your music and lights from your cell phone or tablet. You can control your lighting, your heating, and electronic devices with your voice, phone, or computer.
Talk to Siri or Alexa anywhere.
One of the best things about a smart home is that it can save you money. You can install solar panels to generate electricity anytime the sun is out. There's a meter inside that monitors the usage and sells it back to the power company to save you money on your monthly bill. Pretty cool. You can even install an electric car charger, y'all.
So if you list or buy your home with us or sign a listing agreement between December the 15th to January the 31st of next year, we'll install one or more smart home packages to your house.
So comment below.
'Cause if it has to sell,